Hi, so I'm going to talk a little bit about how do we write our body paragraphs. So we already have done most of the work for writing our body paragraphs. What we need to do is open up our Google document, which I have done right here, um, by just pushing on our assignment document right here. I have minimized my screen by taking this button right here that is like a square and clicking on it, and that makes my screen a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to go ahead and move that screen over. I opened up another screen of the assignment that we did last week where we filled out our organizer, so you'll have to go back to that writing assignment and open that up. Now that I can see them side by side, I can see that I already have the structure built in for me. I may just need to put in a few transition words, and I have my body paragraphs built. So for my first body paragraph, I'm going to go ahead and look at my answer. My answer is one reason zoos are not the best option for animals is that they do not improve people's desire to conserve or their connection to animals. So I can go ahead and I can just highlight that, hit Control C to copy it, and then I can bring it over here and hit Control V and I can paste it. I don't even have to retype it. Then I cite evidence. So my evidence says TV shows such as Planet Earth bring wild animals into living rooms, allowing people to see the animals in their natural habitat without causing harm to animals such as the snow leopard. So I could go ahead and say, according to procon.org, then I'm going to hit my quotation marks. I'm going to highlight this. And I'm going to move it right over here. And now I've got my evidence right here. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to explain my evidence, which I've done right here. And so I've said, this shows that people learn to love animals as they watch them on, I had a typo here. It should be channels such as Animal Planet. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and I'm going to move it. I'm going to, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to copy it, bring it over here, and paste it. Then I'm going to go down and see, do I have other evidence? And I do. So I can make sure that I copy this evidence. I forgot to put my source, so I would have to go back and add my source to this in the end. But that is how I'm going to take what I've done and I'm going to put it into a paragraph form by putting it all together. And I'll finish up with my conclusion. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other body paragraphs. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Otherwise, enjoy putting all your hard work together. And then tomorrow we'll take our introductory paragraph and we'll import it into the same document. If you want to do that today, you're welcome to do that. And then we'll add a conclusion tomorrow and we'll have a complete essay.